Yo! Good morning, family. Happy Thursday. We're almost at the end of the week. I'm a little stuffy, as you can tell. I'm going to send up this video. I'm excited. Tomorrow's going to be our first stream ever, not in the setup. Going to be testing out the mobile stream for Hawaii, see how that goes. Today, we need a 1,500 to get these accounts technically over the buffer, but then we have to have a couple days after that of just base hits. Good morning, King. As always, bright and early work. Appreciate you deeply, friend. How are you? How you doing? Sniping anything on gold or Dow today, or just peeping? Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Damn. I appreciate it deeply, though, friend. Hope your opportunity is incredible as well. Danny and Vines, good morning, kings, queens. Oh, my allergies are on right now, family. Unlucky. Ha, thanks, Vines. And Mark, appreciate you guys. No trades for the rest of the week, not gonna lie. Hey, that's fine. Good morning, Mark. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Appreciate y'all. Good morning, family. Let's go. Today, look, interesting price action yesterday, right? Incredibly bullish with an end of day overnight push up into the 5,500 almost. Rejected. And now we're opening up with a higher day at 418. Feels like we have to go auction a little bit lower. Let's look at the daily chart real quick. Rodrigo, good morning, King. We all getting sick and blessed you, brother. Appreciate it, work. We all getting sick. It's this time. I hope I'm not getting sick. I hope it's just a little allergies. I got Hawaii next week, so I'm not trying to be sick. Look at the strength on this daily chart, though. A little annoying that. Look at this range. Gross. So sideways, but hopefully we're going to start pushing here. We are at a spot where, of course, we could bounce or look lower, but hopefully we rip through this VWAP of the daily chart and start pushing into a new range. That'd be ideal. Hourly chart, kind of telling the same story as the daily. Now we just be patient. Market is about to open up. Santiago and Max and GPT. Good morning, Kings. Welcome in, family. Danny, brand new 25K MFF eval for today, so we'll be doing my best to get it past halfway. Let's go, Queen. I believe 1,000%. Proud of you for picking yourself up and being here right now. I know yesterday was tough, so. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Are y'all as excited as I am? Starting the Thursday strong here. Nothing but opportunity ahead. Yeah, yesterday was a trading day. Just paying some expenses into the business. That's all. Less than ideal, but necessary, you know. Good morning, Spitzy. Welcome in, King. Market's opening up, bouncing off this VWAP. We have the daily opening print price and daily opening high above 150 point range about. Wouldn't mind seeing some extension off this VWAP here, honestly, but who knows? Here we go, daily opening print price. Here we go with the daily opening print, selling through the VWAP slightly here. We have overnight lows at the 264s. Finding some weight. Good morning, peeps. Are we making money today or playing with ourselves? We're making money, Sausadella. Good morning, King. You know what I mean? That's the only option here. Mad annoying. I had it made 800 yesterday from the 40%. Logged off. Came back on after before market closed. And I was up another K. I'm assuming I never cancel all limit orders. Now I have to make more. That's wild, Santiago. I'm glad you didn't end up having an order go down that busted you, but that is unfortunate, King. Opening daily print price. Selling off about 50 points here, 40 points. No top to the candle, just selling. Rolling up this ass saucy to watch the stream. Let's go, family. Look, tomorrow, guys, is going to be the first stream ever not in this setup. Episode 221. We're going to be in a new setup. We're going to be testing out the daily mobile stream down where I'm going to be testing it. I'm not going to be here. And then, obviously, Monday, I'm going to have a no stream day because I'm going to be traveling. I'm going to be on a plane. And then Tuesday, we're going to test out our first Hawaii stream. So 222 is going to be our... Stream 222 is going to be in Hawaii on Tuesday. I'm very excited about it, family. Let's go, Pat. Good morning, King. Happy days. Happy life. NASDAQ kind of feels like we could be trying to rally off these a little bit here. Overnight high tapped into a really good price. I'm going to turn my trade mode on here. And I'm going to go ahead and try it right now. I'm going to try to short this VWAP if we can get a chance. Might have to come a little bit lower, it feels like. I want to have an EMA tap / VWAP tap. We never touched the top of that sell candle, so I still like it. Come a little bit lower here, just get involved. We could rush up to the VWAP, but all our longs could be completely safe here, and in which case we'll have our clarity and knowledge. But I'm going to take the attempt to join these sellers to the sell side. Reason being is we're stuck now below VWAP. We're tapping into the VWAP on the daily chart, and we tapped into these really strong price here on the overnight high. So a lot of opportunities, but who knows what happens. NASDAQ did not want to play with me. So no, I'm just going to go back to the lows without you. Yeah, you are. Work. Dedicate the next puff for me, please. Can't smoke it myself. Let's go. Morning, everyone. TLR, welcome in, King. We have a gap above. It may get filled. Looks like sellers are bringing it down. Be patient, guys. Wait for the strategies. Let's go, King. Love the analysis, Pat. All right. Well, we missed our order. Now we be patient. NASDAQ heading back towards the low of day here. Pressure in the VWAP. Don't forget that yesterday after hours, NVIDIA reported for the quarter, so it's going to be the market mover today. It always is, King. Appreciate you for the insight there, Spitzy. What are we seeing? What was their earnings? I guess I did not see that. It had to have been decent. We know they're a powerhouse. Feels like if we sweep overnight low, we start getting bullish. It's kind of what I want to see now. Sweep below this overnight low. Previous day swing point as well. All right, so this overnight low lines up with this previous day midpoint. Anything above that feels like we start getting long. Anything above that feels like we could start popping up here. Good morning, guys. Blessed and winning. Have a blessed and winning day, Joel. Good morning, King. Love the energy, brother. Welcome and happy Thursday. Anyone know what happened with the freeze of metal on metal yesterday? Ooh, Santiago, great question. I'm not sure. There's a sweep of overnight low in that previous range. Could start having an opportunity here for some longs, or the sellers get heavier through this little imbalance. I'd be looking for maybe like the 220s. I'd like a 220s bounce. Feels a little bit deeper than I'd want to see. But we could get a little 220s bounce. And then from there, it's going to look like the top of the range. Already inverting a little bit here. 263s is that overnight low and that previous day low. Excuse me, family. Stupid allergies. I've never been allergic to anything, but lately I think I am starting to develop an allergy. Every morning I wake up a little stiffly and like, yeah. I feel like it's my job. I'm starting getting allergic to my job, ironically. There's so much different pollen and keef and things that I'm inhaling all the time. Waiting 5 minutes in the market, family. Be patient. Let's wait for a good setup. We already sold below overnight low and previous day low, so obviously buyers are giving some reaction down here. I don't necessarily think this is where we're going to start turning around yet. I haven't seen a reversal signal unless we base back above the EMA here, but for the most part, I like this opportunity. Starting to see some absorption down here. Starting to see some absorption down here for sure. Buyers look like they're just struggling to find anything. If we sweep through this low, there we go. 250s. I really do like the 220s for an opportunity. There's a lot of wicks that we bounced off of prior. See if we can get the 220s to try to hold. Maybe the 200 hold number, something like that. Clearing some of the Zaza out of your lungs. It's possible. It is a possibility there. You know, we don't know, but that is an option. All right, selling into these 227s. I want to maybe try along at the 20s here. Obviously, we got to be patient. Can't be the first ones in, but I kind of like the opportunity. First 7 minutes of the range. Still buyers kind of getting crushed. Still the buyers getting crushed. 50% of yesterday range right now. Ooh, I like that, Queen. It's a great analysis there. That's interesting. 50% of previous day range. We already split between previous day low and overnight low. Really want to find a spot where this imbalance tries to hold, which is what we just tapped into at those 24s. So there's double confluence at those 20s. 50% of that imbalance, as well as the strong wicks over here. I think I'm going to try if we sweep through this low one more time. I'm going to poke along. If we have an opportunity, if we sweep through this low one more time, I think I'm going to try a little stab. 199 buy order for me. I like that, Santiago. I'm trying along. Let's go, Queen. Looks like it's going to print. I wanted one more opportunity before she goes, but she might just be trying to leave. Yo, there's 35 people watching, family, spending the morning being a part of this incredible community. If you guys have not yet, make sure you show some likes to the love button. Let's get that button smashed. We have our 30 like stream goal. Very exciting. Let's get over that buffer. And then tomorrow is our first stream ever not in the setup. We're going to be testing out the mobile stream for Hawaii. And then stream 222 on Tuesday, because Monday I'm going to be on the plane for 14 hours. And then Tuesday will be our first stream in Hawaii. It'll be exciting, family. Right now, the Nasdaq's trying to push up through the EMA. A little bit of rejection at those 70s. I want to see another sweep towards these lows, ideally, for me to try to grab along here. Starting to see some real volume added at these 50s. Trying the EMA out. I still don't have complete confidence in the reversal here yet, so I'm being patient. If we V recovery out of it, well, then that's your own indication. I think I could even try a little snipe short here, honestly. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
I'm going to try a little snipe short, back to the lows. See if we can get a fill here. Got to see an EMA respect. If we push above this swing high, I'm going to be out of these at like 293s. I guess really the 300s. Nice pop. Got to see a closure up here. Closure up here would be me trying to get out of this. Still want to see the EMA get respected. After we just swept through that illiquidity, I like it a little bit more in my direction, honestly. Strong reaction after taking out that 300s. Can we get a closure below the EMA here? Closure at the EMA. Makes me think I might be able to wait for the lows. Try to be patient here. It's enough for a break even for me. Not trying to be crazy. So you could easily come back up, but I just want to see a quick little scalp. Really want to take out these 250s. A lot of liquidity adding at the 50s, but below that, I'm going to probably look for these to switch out of me at the 220s. Great reaction. Can we get this to continue lower now, Nazi? I'm going to get out of this at this new swing low with the 43s. Just a quick scalp. Like I said, I wasn't looking for much here. Just wanted to snipe. Good reaction. Can we get a little bit lower? Y'all, today's the day that we're going to be doing this with the NASDAQ. Okay. Okay, NASDAQ. Okay. Love to see a bear playing with me. Okay. No, that's fine. Be patient, guys. I like it, Pat. Good morning, Motez. Welcome in, King. Let's go, Danny.
Stop.
Hit my TP. I love it, Queen. Hey, we just got absolutely milli-whopped on that opportunity there. So that felt awful. But let's go, Danny. I'm glad you got that catch. Nice. W's. King. Motez. Drop the likes. Let's get it, family. Let's go. Burr on them likes. Burr. Let's go. 42 people watching, family. Smash the love button. Let's go ahead and get over our 30 like stream goal. I need a little bit of love for missing my TP by a quarter of a point there. A tick. I had my order at 43.25. We went to 43.75. What? That's fucking unreal. NASDAQ could be trying to push here now. Let's be patient. That was the low I wanted to see. I wanted to see a little bit lower, obviously, but this was the bottom. Finding some support. Showing some reaction around that 50% price. A little bit of absorption. No way they're watching. They are. They just got their eye on me. They got their eyes on me. That was criminal. That was absolutely criminal there. I made an Excel sheet this morning so I can track my trades and why I took them. Hopefully this will help with the stake and stupid shit. I think that will absolutely help, Danny. A little accountability. Track your trades. The only thing is that I will be honest, because you do take multiple trades, it's going to be a little tough unless you have like the discipline to do every single one. But I hope you do. I hope you start following that, Queen. I think that's going to help a lot. And we just had to come back up to our price one more time. Now we're pushing towards these lows that I wanted to see hunted in the first place. If we sweep through this bottom, I might stab along. If we sweep through these bottoms, I might try along. I still cannot get over how close that was right there. That was whew. Double bottom. That's kind of what I'm hoping to see here, possibly, Santiago. Depending on how strong this wick is, I kind of like this price for the 250s. It actually feels like we're trying to push lower. Here's our 15-minute range. Let's draw our bucks, get aligned with the markets, follow our strategy. Top of the 15-minute range has a no wick at the top there. We just absolutely inverted it. Here's our 15-minute bottom. Would love to our 15-minute range. I'd love to see a quick little sweep out of it, and on the 15th minute reclaim it. Oh, this is a break. This is a 15-minute break and reclaim. I can feel it, can see it. Big levels down here. Reason to try it. Give me a little break and reclaim here, NASDAQ. Looks like it's trying to hold these 50s though. A break and a reclaim for me, family, would be breaking through the bottom of this 15, having a strong candle, reclaim it, and then we're going to be trading for the other end. Here we go, 15th minute. Break it now. Come on, NASDAQ. Come break through this 50-minute bottom. Take this liquidity out, and I'm joining along instantaneously. And then I want to see it reclaim inside of it and start heading towards the other side of the range. That would be an ideal 10 out of 10 trade for me. Here we go. We're trying to push the lows. Can we get a little manipulation down here? A little manipulation. Here we go. Here's a little manipulation. Take out the bottom of this 15-minute liquidity. Manipulate this market. Everyone should be correct if you dragged along, but they're making you be patient. There's the manipulation.
Order filled.
I'm grabbing the long. Now we wait. Now we wait patiently here. little break and reclaim. Classic right here. 15-minute range trading right now, family. Reclaim inside of there. Reclaim that EMA now. Get up through there, NASDAQ. A little manipulation on the bottom of the 15-minute range. Can we get up through this flat price? Tons of low side liquidity here. VWAP above, top of the 15-minute range. Reasons to think that we could push this price if we start holding it. Back to the 50s now. A lot of liquidity there. Got to get through the 50s. That's going to be the next obstacle. Everyone I take, I put in right away, and then with a short summary with how I feel, and now expand, and then expand on it when I'm done with trading. That's the plan. I like that a lot. I like that a lot, Queen. 75, so we need to see almost the 300s. We need like 98. Sell-fi limits. Sell-fi limits. Haven't put our break even on yet. I want to see a sweep above these 80s, 70s before I put my break even on. The EMA closure would have been decent if we got it there, but still finding a little bit of resistance. Still might have a little bit of manipulation to try here. Guess it will dump. Best wishes for all this community. Best wishes to you as well, King. We don't know what we don't know. One time, Zaddy. Come on, Toss. We grabbed the order that I wanted to see. Now we just got to get this to print through. What's more sad almost is if we would have got our full TP there. That was like 800. What was that? I was looking for the 43s from the 80s. So 37, 750. So yeah, we'd be almost done here at like the 60s. I would have already been done. I would have already been done for today if we would have hit that first TP. Now we got to wait for a second manipulation candle. Gives me an idea to try a second contract down here, honestly. I really like this opportunity. Might sweep through our price one more time. Trying the bottom of the 15-minute range after we reclaimed inside of it. Kind of want to try a second contract down here. Stops would still be below these new lows. Do we do it? I just don't think we need to. I think we have a good spot. It's breaking through the bottom of the 15 and this new manipulation low. If we reclaim the 15 now, I like it even more. Start showing me these longs now. Haven't necessarily seen the volume candle that I wanted to see to hold our range. Tapping into that 209 price. Stops for me are going to be below these 200s. Just waiting for the reclaim. We got the manipulation that I wanted to see. Would have already got tagged there, but now we're waiting. King, what a nice morning of price action. I know, newbie. Welcome in, Queen. I love trading. I'm already off for the day. Even with my real estate business is more greedy with my time. Yeah, that's why it's a fantastic lifestyle. I'm proud of you, Queen. Way to enjoy the win. Way to be on a Thursday. Feel me at 199. Come on, NQ. I hope not, Santiago. I see what I like to see for the NASDAQ 15-minute range here. I have a confidence to add into this trade right now. Nice profit day for me, getting off the charts. Have a great day, my peeps. Alexander, proud of you, King. Enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Thursday. Way to lock in a win. NASDAQ looks like we might be pushing to the highs. Finding support through the bottom of the 15-minute range. This is classic. W. Alexander, absolutely. Way to pick him up, newbie. Way to show some love. Can we get through this EMA now? Double manipulation through the bottom of the 15-minute range and reclaiming it on both sides. I really like this trade setup. Got to get a strong closure here, though. Show me a strong closure, NASDAQ. Sells her in, Pat, and then he says, just drop a W for the trade. I love it, King. Hey, look, we don't know what we don't know. Sellers have shown themselves, but I like to see the absorption down here at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Are we coming to your price, Santiago? Feels like maybe. It's not. I wouldn't have wanted to see a second retest towards these prices. I would have already wanted to see us try to reach higher here, so I might have to just take this one on the chin. Like, I would have, this second reattempt here would have been enough for me to really be excited about it. Obviously, you can see the absorption down at this prices, so I like seeing the absorption, but at the moment, that's just kind of liquidity being added in that could push us lower. We have to have a strong, we cannot give up the bottom of this 15-minute range. Feels like they're going to give it up, though. 206s. Still absorption, still battling here. Haven't seen the candle I wanted to see yet in manipulation of volume. Excuse me. Well, we wait. Yeah, this is gusty. This is a gusty long. The Delta story. Scalp area for me, but it may push. Yeah, I mean, I looked for a move there, didn't get it, but I still like it. I really do. I really truly do. Stops will be below the 2s. Looks like Santiago, you might be getting your fill, King. We tried to scalp over here, Queen, and got missed by a literal tick. So that's why scalps are just, you know, as unpredictable. Breaking through the 2s. EMA's tapping into the bottom of the 15-minute range. We might be paid. We might have to wait this one out here, or we could just be wrong. But sellers are taking this thing lower than I expected. I wanted to see the 220s bounce and give us a support. Right now, we're dipping through those. Still haven't seen the volume reversal candle yet, so maybe we aren't. Maybe there is no reversal in sight. What is the Delta story, Motez? I'm interested in that. I tried the long too, but went break even as soon as I was up. Super convinced. Hey, way to lock in the safety though, Queen. NASDAQ tapping into the 188s, trying to get back above the 15-minute range. Anytime we get back in there now, I'd like it more, but right now we are the ones on the wrong side of the game. We're on the wrong side of the fence right now, you know what I mean? Another 1,000 sell on the Delta, the volume profile. Nice. We are on the wrong side of the fence. What's really interesting here is the top of the 15-minute range candle, the opening print price, there was no wick. We just sold off from the beginning, which is really interesting. Doesn't usually do that. See if we can get back up around this EMA. I want to see the buyers try to reclaim with some strength here. There's 38 people watching, family, being a part of this wonderful community. Show some love if you have not yet. Tap the like button. Let's get to our 30 like stream goal. It means the most, helps the channel out. Can we get back inside of this bottom 15-minute range? Looking for a break and reclaim here. Haven't necessarily seen the volume that I would have wanted to see for that, but we could get a spike here at any moment. There's a spike back to the bottom of the 15. Are we going to be able to reclaim it at all? Go ahead and reclaim this, NASDAQ. Don't want to see a wick attempt at the EMA. We have to get a closure through this EMA if we're going to be on the right side of this fence. Got to get a wick attempt. Got to hold if we're going to see the other side of the fence now. This is what I'm noticing here for a potential trend line. Right, so opening print candle high, next swing high, and now possibly a third attempt here at this trend line if we can't break through. If we do break through here, longs look pretty sexy. I don't scalp much now unless I've been trailing drawdown, but I started as a scalper, so I'm comfortable with it. Prefer to catch moves, more of the move with one entry, just less stress. I just didn't start with it. I like that you have newbie because it allows you to have that confidence. For me, I started looking for big trades, but was always emotional. So then my habits taught me to like hold and be more resilient. So now I'm just in that mindset where that's my new thing. But I don't know. We all have our own ways. Trying to break through the bottom of the 15, trying to hold at this trend line. Don't love the rejection there. See if we can start getting a breakthrough here. Kind of makes me want to consider adding a second contract and then just having my stops below the lows. Unfortunately, that's a pretty big stop loss though. I was on the wrong side yesterday all day, so going with what she shows right now. I like that, Danny. We did literally nothing on the jobless claims. Yeah, nothing at all. Nada, my friend. It was 8:30. Yo, sup, King? Just caught this long. Let's go, bro. Welcome in, brother. Glad you get some monies. Can we get through this 15? I don't like the rejection here at the EMA or the bottom of the 15-minute range. Obviously, this trend line above gives me confidence in the second attempt. Might add our second contract down here at the 210s and then just have my stops below and take this trade off. Take the chances. I'm gonna try it. If we get another sweep towards these lows, I really think we could break through here, but obviously I'm against the charts. Rejection at the EMA. Here we go. Sellers are just against us at the moment. Makes it hard to want to join them. Excuse me. Dang. There's another break towards the 200s. Bottom of the 15-minute range, giving us a rejection. Now taking out the new lows. This would be my last attempt to see the longs pull up here. Otherwise, I might have to just take this on the face. The sneezy face at that right now. Jeez. Snagged a little 27 points with 2 NQ. That's insane. Let's go. 40s to the 50%. She needs to push through it. Yeah, the 40s and 50s are a big spot right now. Nice little volume candle. Hopefully we can get some, or a nice little wick. I'm reattempting the 160, 170 for my next zone. I like that. I hope we don't get that low, but we'll see. Well, we try again. Yeah, that's a tough break even, King. I still like to see this try to hold here. Part of me wants to try to these 192s. It's just tough. We're on the wrong side of it at the moment, so I'm doing it. Second contract.
Order filled.
Second contract down here at the 90s. Stops are going to be at below. Can we get this to finally give us some volume through here now? Come on, NASDAQ. Give me some volume, Queen. Got to have our stops in. Very detailed this time. You got to be smart traders. Don't want to see a new low get taken out here. I like the volume, but I don't like the lack of follow through there. Just swept through our price, and now it feels like we're a lot of sellers at that EMA right now. Not what I wanted to see for my order. A lot of sellers slapping that EMA right there. Another EMA tap. Can the longs finally get up through here right now? Jeez. I need this to be 10. Sell 10 limit. And I need this to be 10 as well. Slapping our order around like it's nothing right now.
Stop filled.
Awful. Why is there so much fucking pressure at that EMA? What the hell? Now I'm finally seeing the volume for this manipulation candle that I wanted to see. Wow. Just wow. I guess today is the opposite. Any EMA tap, you can just ride it down. Third tap of that trend line couldn't get through it. We had the bottom of the range. Every single sell was getting pushed through. I guess we come test the top of this previous high. That feels annoying at the 140s. Insane right now. Wild. All because we missed our tick of a fucking TP over here, which would have filled me for 800, and I would have closed at this next side here. We'd have been done trading, and now we're sitting here with negative 1,000. Coming back into these previous highs of these 130s. Can't be the first ones in this, but sellers are showing some strength. Let's take a zoom out here. I think I'm a little zoomed in. Let's see what this actually looks like on the reversion of this. Interesting price action. Took out New York session low right there. Interesting, huh? Very interesting. Man, that was really unfortunate there. Glad we had tight stops, though. We had to be responsible. I don't see any volume that tells me a reversal. This is a bounce zone here, but it's wide. Yeah, this previous swing high, I like it as well. It is a wide stop, though. Being patient. I like this trend line to try to break, but how and when, you know, that's the fun part that we are trying to figure out as a family. And maybe not. I mean, maybe we just keep selling forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. But at some point, we find a balance. We try our best to participate with it. I want to see some displacement on this candle. Another EMA tap. History says you could try a short here and feel fairly safe with it. I'm going to do it for a quick snipe, for a quick scalp. I don't see the volume of this push that tells me that it's going to be strong enough to V recovery. V recoveries take volume. Come on, NASDAQ. Play along here, Queen. EMA's been supported all morning. Trying to just join the momentum. Looking for a quick scalp back towards these lows.
Order filled.
I'm happy with a little snipe there. Just was looking for a scalp. Was not looking for much. Made back some of that drawdown. See what we can do here. WP, another nice wick. Big black no wicks. Let's go. Come on, word. Come on, King. Big volume here. Projection at the EMA. Just feels like soon it could just kind of start finding some bids the other way if we can't keep pushing lower. If we can't keep pushing lower, it feels like we could find some volume here at some point. Could be another EMA attempt. See, look at you becoming a scalp king. Hey, I'm trying, Queen. I'm trying to learn it. Look, I need to get through these trailing drawdowns on once I get these live, and then also the Apex. Got to get better at that skill, but it's not easy. It's against what I'm used to. Little EMA tap, still finding some resistance there. Back towards these lows. If we get a break through this trend line, I'm really going to try to take it long, but we just got to be patient. First time we're finding some real struggling at the EMA. I want to see a displacement candle close above this 191s would be ideal. Feels like we might try to manipulate lower one more time. Obviously, the sellers are doing the same pattern, stuck below this EMA right now, but struggling to actually find direction off of it for the first time today. Starting to see the slowing down volume of that. So, and you can see the volume here as well. It's slowed down. So, I feel like we're either going to manipulate this new low at the 150s one more time. There's an attempt at it, and if we can't push lower, then I don't know. VWAP's curling pretty aggressive. Maybe I am just being a counter trend hero, trying to catch the fade. Right now, the two trades that we almost smacked. I mean, I almost smacked that long too, but again, I would have had TP had I hit my TP here. So, interesting. We need some love on the NASDAQ, though. It's what we need. It's what we need. Volume. Push through this EMA. Displace through the top of this 190 and through this trend line. We've already tapped it 3 strong times, so usually 3 is about what it gets. On the 4th, it will try to maintain. Don't mind the decompressed volume down here. If we sweep through these lows one more time, I'm going to poke along. Sellers still getting resistance at this EMA. Sellers still doing the thing where they just kind of be heavy, showing some weight. Not letting price move above. I want to see a flash and go. Scalping is never easy, but it is why I very rarely tilt now after 2 years of trading. I lost so often that my emotions flipped. I tilt wildly when I won during my first 6 months, LOL. Hey, you got to feel it. You got to feel it to get done with it. So you took all those losses, you felt all that pain, and now you're just like, oh, okay, whatever. This is the game. And now you're unemotional, a trading machine, trading little robot. Look at that hourly candle, very strong closure there. Doesn't really give me confidence in a reversal, possibly. Yesterday was nothing but buys, and today is nothing but selling. It seems like possibly. It's usually how it is, TLR. We'll see what happens here. Maybe I'm being whatever it's called, trying to find the fade. I like this to try to bounce here. Another EMA tap. It doesn't feel, I don't know. It's something about this EMA riding right now that doesn't give me a lot of confidence for the sellers. Buyers got absorbed badly on the delta from the 300s. Yeah, the 300s did push us down. TP in negative 1,000, negative 100. You're not wrong. I'm seeing the same thing you're describing. I like this price maybe at these 150 to try to give us a little double bottom. Excuse me, mamma mia. Here comes a trend line attempt, possibly. Feels like it could be the time. Feels like it could be the time. I'm going to flip over to one contract and try it.
Order filled.
Another trend line tap. More absorption at the EMA. Want to see the longs try to hold here. Getting some volume. Getting some volume. We're deep, deep, deep from the bottom of the 15-minute range and from opening print price. We opened at the 342s. Down about 210 points. If we can start breaking through this trend line, I like this opportunity. And this would be a bigger hold for me if I can get this to play out. Stops are still going to be below this new low, or this swing low, over day low of day. And there's the low of day snaps. If we don't wick back inside, I'm closing. Wow.
Order filled.
Incredible. Oh no, I have emotions. I just run off instead of throwing up my laptop now. I know Best Buy hates that. They need that. Wow. Just insane selling pressure. I guess we know where we're going then. I mean, I tried to fight it twice. But this is telling us exactly where we're heading. Big rejection at the 500s, I guess, overnight there. Very interesting. I guess very, very interesting. Tons of volume on that candle. Technically, that is the the volume on a reverse candle that you want to see. But, you know, I've already tried to fade these monsters a couple times. Feels bad. Sells are in. Wow, glad I'm adding stop losses today and holding to them. I suppose that's progress on my part. LOL. Absolutely, Queen. Definitely progress. Document that. Come on. No DCA into oblivion. Yeah, that's, hey. All the things you're saying, Queen, I just did, so. I like the volume on this candle, though. If we don't keep pushing lower, technically is a reversal signal, but obviously these sellers are having their way with this market right now. Any EMA short would have been nice. Any single one of them. Every single one is riding down this EMA ridiculously right now. Bottom of that zone, be careful shorting here. I like it. 59, 60s would be where I'd really want to see it try. I want to try another long. I just hate the fact that we're not getting any opportunity for it. Price is starting to push lower than this bottom of the volume now. We'll see. We'll be a little bit more patient. Is he really going for yesterday low? And what is previous day low? Feels like we are hunting that right now, Queen. Previous day low at the below the 25,000s. What a rejection that would be. I think so. I'm not seeing anything that tells me we're reversing. I'm not seeing anything that would say we might not hold this price. Feels like we're rejecting all the way back to the 25,000s or testing the 25,000s out again for longs. Either way. Wild. This is wild. Are you green for the month? What do you mean? Technically, yes. And in real money, I have made more money than I've spent. I've made more than that money than I've spent in 2026. And yeah. Most of that was made in February. Nice day for me. I took a $3,800 payout last night, which makes 97 net after top step 90-10 split. Past my 5 traded 5 accounts. GPT trading like a king. Drop some W's for the man. GPT always being consistent, taking his money, logging out when he has a red day. Proud of you, King. That's fucking amazing. Yesterday we couldn't stop buying. Now we can't stop selling. Yeah, it's wild. Here come the 25,000s. I mean, once we broke through this bottom here, we just got cliffy. Like, we just got cliffy going on here. Took out that previous day low. I don't even know. We got to be patient here. We got to be patient here. Thanks, family. I love the community. Hey, buddy. Love you too, King. Proud of you. It's fucking amazing. And there she went. W Tommy. Let's go. She did. She went to previous day low, Danny. All the way down there, Nazi. Taking all that liquidity out. Wowzers. Absolutely wowzers. Do we try an EMA tap? Science says, yeah. I think science says that that's a fair try. I think science says that, you know, hey, it's been working all morning. No reason to think that it's not going to work again. Man, I want to counter trend hero this so bad. I'm fighting my impulses to long this bottom. And good impulse. Good impulse control there. My word. I'd say we try to grab an EMA short, but right now it's not even. We're just leaving EMA behind completely. Off. A little dumperoni and cheese. Appreciate y'all for letting me know we were muted there. Don't know what happened, but yeah, no, we're just going all the way down. Nothing but volume to the sell sides. All you got to do is poke a short. I can't do it. Brother, I shall go now, Ramadan Kareem, and you will make, brother. Don't lose faith. Peace. Let's go, Mochaz. I appreciate you showing love, King. Enjoy your Ramadan, your fast, time with the family, your prayers. Hope it goes smoothly, King. this is just atrocious a little bit. Just a little bit kind of gross. I want to short any EMA bounce, but right now, after riding the EMA, then getting this pullback, it feels like the EMA won't be safe, so I hate it. What's the news? I missed it. Yeah, it's probably in NVIDIA's earnings is a great point. Yeah, I think they might be why. That might be why we're dumping. I mean, they are the market. What were their earnings? Was it negative overall? Interesting. Excuse me. All right, well, get out of here then. Right back inside of the range. Who pissed NQ off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is a doji. 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty much 10 sell candles directly in a row. Like, what is going on? Where the fuck is the balance to this? Atrocious. If you guys caught the shorts and you got a piece of this move, congratulations. You have to start assuming that we're going to get some relief bounce. It's just dangerous, of course. I'm going to go with one contract. I'm a demon. I just got to see it.
Filled.
I hate it. We just can't keep selling off. There is still volume in this game. I mean, balance. We've already swept through enough lows. Give me a pop. Give me a little pop. Not sure what we're actually going to be seeking here other than just a little bit of balance, mostly. But, I mean, at the end of the day, the buyers are just weak. This is still a balanced market, though, family. At the end of the day, the sellers clearly have been winning, but there's still a back and forth game going on here. Still a two-person game. It's still still red and blue. Still a chess match at the end of the day. Can we get a test towards this EMA now? EMA is obviously going to be frightening because that's where the sellers have just been heavy-handed all morning. But at some point, balance is necessary. If I were trading, I'd buy here, so thank God I'm not trading. Yeah, exactly, newbie. Hey, look, at least if I got you thinking about it too, I'm in a good spot. But at the moment, sellers being the heavy-handed handers. Heavy-handed hamsters over here. New low. Take out these nines. Didn't even get an EMA touch. That wasn't even an EMA touch. Absolutely incredible pressure. Down 1.87%. Wow. It's gotta be because of fucking NVIDIA. I mean, nothing else makes sense. 1.8% is insane. What's good? How long you been trading for? Fortnite God. Let's go, King. I've been trying to get some Fortnite action going. Full-time 2 years, and then I probably have about 4, maybe 5 years of trading experience in general. But full-time and trading for about 2 years. Made more money than I've spent in 24, 25, and 26 so far. So, profitable. How you doing, though, King? Welcome in. How long you been trading for? How long you been staring at this beautifully ugly, awfully, horrendously addicting, scary NASDAQ? We just the top of the big range yesterday before the end of the day, brother. We just the top of the big range yesterday before the end of the day, brother. We just rejected the big range yesterday before the end of the day, brother. Got you. Yeah, no, we definitely rejected it. 100%. NVIDIA earnings obviously very awful. So, can we get any volume through this EMA? First time we could be on the other side of it. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Balance still exists, right? Don't be another EMA sell opportunity, right? A little bit of volume through this EMA couldn't hurt anybody, right? A little bit of volume through this EMA doesn't hurt nobody. I think we overreacted with that pump yesterday before the release. Now we have to be unwind the nonsense. It's a good analysis, Queen. Definitely found a rejection. Definitely overreacted. And now the buyers said, you know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and just walk over here for a little bit. You guys have your way with the NASDAQ. I'll be back. Like, oh, okay. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. I just started like 3 months ago, still learning. Well, welcome in, King. Great place for you to be learning from. Incredible community. Honest, real trades taken. Psychology. All the things that are necessary. Can we get to we have good closure above the EMA there, okay? I just need to see it actually maintain. Otherwise, it's just another opportunity for the sellers to get heavy-handed hamsters over here. Right back at our price now. Awful. Honestly, ugly rejection there. Wanted a little bit more continuation. A little bit of an awful reaction there. Right back to the low of day. Wow. 1.87% down on the day is wild. Nothing about that candle, unless we have a strong wick before it closes. We have 3 seconds. Nothing about that candle closure tells me that we're going to be safe on this. Finally got the push. Sellers said, yeah, actually, this is still our game. This is still our video game here. Last attempt, I think, probably even closes for a break even before new lows get put in. That candle closure was very heavy. Very heavy candle.
Order filled.
Yeah, man, it busted them. Incredible. What the fuck was that? Heavy selling. Down 2% on the NASDAQ. And now it's going to go fucking invert. How are you learning? Like, from who? Experience times... Oh, my nose. A lot of... Got my allergies acting up for no reason. Just from experience, man. Chair time. Yeah, look at this beautifulness. Go ahead, NASDAQ. Go ahead now. All right, I'm going to... It's still valid, just no new lows on Q. We did. We took out new lows, and now we're holding. It's going to go break now, newbie. Feels like shit is what it feels like. All right, well, I guess it's worth resetting them. Ugh. Painful. Absolutely painful there. A complete bottom tickeroni. You can't even make that shit up. Why is it so hard to pass these goddamn accounts? I've had no love with Take Profit Trader so far. No love whatsoever. Like, really? We're going to go ahead and snap the low just one more time? Is it because Tyler was in the chart or what? We better hunt lows again here. Otherwise, it's going to feel pretty personal, NASDAQ. And honestly, I don't deserve that personality. I don't deserve that personal just offense. 565 on the 282 account. $289 account. 570. This account might be the only one alive still. Managed groups. 289. Feels like she is going to go hunt the lows again, so I guess I don't have to feel too bad about it. It's trying really hard to round out here, though. It's trying very, very hard. Sellers are just the winners. Might short an EMA tap. I have not even a point. I have no liquidity. Oh, wait, 289. I already reset it. Bummer. Yeah, access denied. I don't even have access. Don't even have any access, my friends. My friends, my family. All right. Well, 1 second. I got to run to the bathroom. I'll be right back, family. I was up 200, now down 200, but not tilting, not angry. Who is this, LOL? She's a new evolved queen. Let's go, Danny. I love seeing it. Hard day. If you didn't get in the shorts early, only thing I saw that was short scalping the 1 minute 8 EMA on the way down. Yeah, we rode the EMA all the way down, Dave. It just, I don't know. That's not even really a new low, just a sweep of reversion. You needed a little more drawdown. I know. Big V incoming. I hope so. What's up, bro? What up, D? Welcome in, King. Stop loss on the low. Enter when it stays above the 24,900s. I like it, Robert. Let's see it play out. I'm up 3K from the short on that 5-minute time frame, high and lows. Let's go, D. Good trading, King. Way to make your money, brother. All right, I'll be right back, family. I gotta take a quick bathroom break. And the sellers still just being the sellers, doing the sellers thing. Okay. All right, let me reset this really quickly, family. Can I actually get through here for the one time for the guy? Because what is going on? Cannot make it on the other end of this. But you know what it is, family. I entered the short of the 226s. I love it, King. Good entry. NASDAQ just selling. Sheesh, my strat would have had me applying at McDonald's today. Laugh my ass off. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's safe to say just find a short. I mean, it's not that complicated. Right now, it's tough to do, but good morning. How are you, my friend? James, doing better, King. No stress on a Thursday. Tomorrow's first stream ever. Not going to be in the home. We're going to be testing the mobile stream out tomorrow. And then stream 222. We're going to be in Hawaii on Tuesday. Monday, I'm going to be on the plane, so I won't be streaming that day, but stream 222 on Tuesday. Very excited about it, family. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to be doing 3:30 in the morning for market open or power hour, but very excited about it. Look at us try the CMA out for size again, like we have been all morning. Feels like we have to bounce at some point, right? That's how I keep losing, so I don't know. Hey, did you have any issues with this platform before? No, never. But lately things have been a little bit interesting. I will say that. Lately things have been a little bit strange. I'm not sure why, but they have been. Well, NASDAQ trying to get up through this EMA for the first time. What platform is that? This is Trade of 8, King. Trade of 8. Look at the selling. Wowzers. Wow, oh wow, oh my. Long D88s, come on now. Hey, Queen, come on now. I want to see it play for you. I'll poke one too, Danny. I'll poke one too down here
Order
for
filled.
you. I'm at the 97s. I never had an entry set up on the shorts. Saw them coming back, but couldn't trade. I caught the setup on the one decent bounce we had. Yeah, like I said, I almost hit my first TP down here. I missed it by a fucking tick, literally. So then that would have been like $750, which would have allowed me to then take this bottom tick reversal for another $750. NASDAQ finally trying to hold an EMA for size here. Are we going to get any type of love? I would need the 72s. I need this new swing high to be broken for me to get out of this for half-past accounts. Don't love it. Show me some volume, NASDAQ. I think we deserve a little bit of volume on the buy side for once. I hate it. I hate my order fill because I actually don't want to look for a new swing high here. I want to stay below this swing. I'm just going to put my order in, sell-side limit. Can we get some love, NASDAQ? I tried Trade C, that platform. That platform bought a small account, and it's nice. You might like it. James, okay. It's the second time I've heard about it. I might give it a try here soon. It's like Project X. Is it? Are they have their own accounts? I didn't know that. I thought you traded your actual trade props on that platform. You got this. She has to bounce at some point. I mean, that's how I lost these, newbie. I was assuming the same thing, Queen. It does feel like she has to give us some respect at some point. I don't love having to look through this new swing high, unfortunately. Trading is so funny, family. Seriously, you can just how ironic is this game though?
Order filled.
Wow. How ironic is this game? Oh, such a weird game that we play, family. Such a weird game. And I love it. Every single moment, every single second. Rough morning, Corey. It has been tough, King. I got out of this long earlier than I probably should have, but I needed another 5 points on it. But I didn't trust that we were going to break through this high. Of course we do, but didn't trust it, you know. 40 people watching, family. I'm not sure how close we are to our 30 like stream goal, but if you guys are here and have not yet, show some love. Tap that like button. Let's get to our 30 likes. I appreciate every person being a part of this community. We learn together or we win together. Tomorrow is going to be my first stream not in my setup. First one. We're going to be doing a testing out the mobile stream for Friday, and then next week I'm not going to be trading for Monday, but I will be on Tuesday in Hawaii with a new setup. It's great. What do you think you would be doing if you weren't doing this? It keeps you on your toes. It surely does, newbie. It's great. What do you think you'd be doing if I wasn't trading? Trying to start some type of businesses. I've always been very entrepreneurial. I always wanted to control my own finances, and I just have that type of a mindset. But trading's been the most attractive in terms of just, I like the personal development, the aspect of the psychology of it. I like the fact that it is still a very quick work day if you are good at it. And I don't mind losing. I think it's just it's a part of the game, and it builds up our characters, and it makes all the other bullshit in life pretty easy because you're dealing with these emotions all the time. So it adds to the emotional regulation, and I love trading. But yeah, if I wasn't doing it, I'd be trying to probably start some business, something. Even when I'm getting kicked repetitively in the nuts, I do still love it. I have no desire to do anything else. Me neither, Corey. And that's a king mindset. You're not wrong, though, Timothy. I mean, if I'm not trading, since densities are take profit days, you need 5 days. I don't need to trade anymore. That's why trading's ironic. I trade all these longs, try for this one move, and then finally it actually was ready to move up. Just ironic, really. Just amazing if you think about it. Like, how special, you know? Come on, NASDAQ. Just a little trade there. So simple, so easy. But it wouldn't come at any other point. Excuse me. It wouldn't have came at any other point. I'm very proud of myself today. Up 10 right now. I would have lost this account when that 200 loss hit due to tilt, but not today. Not today, Danny. Proud of you too, Queen. You're getting a lot better at the emotional regulation, and that's huge for traders. Isn't it ironic, don't you think? A little too ironic. A little bit too ironic, Corey. They needed their money from me one more time. Sorry, I haven't been very active in the chat. Really sick right now. Sorry to hear it, Joel. Wishing you the best health, King. Not ideal. Stay away from me. I don't want to get sick for Hawaii, although I am feeling a little sniffly, a little allergies going on. Are you fail withdrawing? I thought you was at 51K yesterday. Are you fail withdrawing? I busted the accounts that I was at 51K with, so then I reset, and now I'm back here. I'm not sure what you mean, Espresso. I didn't withdraw anything. I busted the accounts, restarted, and then made the half. So wishing everyone prosperity. You're the king, Joel. Drop the likes, guys. Show Ty some love. 23 likes out of our 30 like stream goal. Family, if you have not yet and you're here being a part of this community, there's 40 people watching. We need 7 more people. Smash that button. Get us over the threshold. We have not had a single day of 2026 where we haven't gotten our 30 likes. Let's not start that today. Tomorrow's going to be our first stream, not in our setup. First mobile stream. And then Monday, I won't be on the chart, sadly. Wishing you guys the best for Monday. And then Tuesday, going to be streaming in Hawaii. Just a downward chop to take a few more stops before giving you move. Yep. And it did well at doing it, newbie. It did well at keeping me out of the game. Said, nah, I'm just not going to let you play. Smash that button for a green day. W's. Let's go, Pat. See, technically I lost 2,000 and then made 400, so I'm still down 600 on the day. Feels kind of shitty. Nice. Last I looked, you were down. What happened to get back in profit? The last thing that you saw, Matthew, was me busting the accounts, and then I had to go ahead and spend $500, 100 per account, reset these, and then we got it to play out for us. So, yeah. That's how we did it. Thanks, Joel. We need all the riches. We sure do. What a good thing to look forward to, Ty. Hawaii. Oh my God, the palm trees, the smells, the water. I have never experienced tropical vibes. I've never experienced anything that close to the equator. The humidity. Just it's going to be something I can't even describe. Like, I don't even know yet, you know? Haven't experienced anything close to it, so I don't even know what to expect, but I'm so excited. So excited. Film some for us so we can enjoy it too, huh? I absolutely will, Queen. Absolutely will. Coming up into these 25,000s, you expect to find some reaction here from the NASDAQ. You really do. You expect to find some type of something here. Excuse me. She's finally acting like a balanced market now, family. Finally. Love to see the support in here. Stay positive, stay healthy, and remember to tell your family and friends you appreciate them. I love it, Joel. Good mindset, good goals, and good priorities, taking care of the family. Family first, always. That's what we're doing here. Trading for our futures, trading for family. Trading for freedom. Well, the 25,000s in the NASDAQ being teased after nothing but a 2% sell day. We went down over 2%, reclaimed about a quarter of it right now, down 1.5%. Wild. Hope you have a nice vacay, King. I appreciate that, bro. I really do. I'm excited. Snorkeling, surfing, hiking. God, the luau, the food, the beaches, the sun. You have to go to the island hop in the Philippines too. You'll love it. There's a lot of nice places around the world you should travel to and hop around. Newbie, I appreciate it, Queen. I absolutely intend to. I absolutely intend to explore more, especially testing out this mobile stream, see how it goes. Could be a little full-time, little stream, little travel, little trade. Come on, just for a couple more years. I want to get a spot in Puerto Rico, have $0 in taxes, and then travel. Spend all the money that I'm saving on taxes, on travel. A little 25,000 rejection there. Like kind of a little later than I thought at the 20s, but still kind of expected. We'll see what happens. It sounds amazing right now. It really does. I haven't had the sun touch my skin in months. I'm in Maine, guys, and Maine is just pretty much borderline Canada. Top of the U.S. and yeah, the UV index here, the strength of the sun is hasn't been shit since like late October's, November's. So I'm lacking the sun. I'm very pale. You guys can't tell probably from the camera, but very pale. Can't wait to get my skin touched from some sun again. Good morning, kings and queens. Sabi, let's go, King. Welcome in, brother. How you doing? How you feeling? Are you back? Are you safe from the storm? What a weird little dump that we got there. Puerto Rico is definitely amazing. I'm excited to check it out. A little late, but better late than never. Always, King. Appreciate your presence. We appreciate your presence 100%. Hope you're doing well. Hope the charts are doing you okay. How do we do this week? It was one of the okay weeks. Didn't do well, didn't do bad. Just it was a lesson week. How about that? A lot of lessons. Nothing to complain about. You be playing sports or watching any? Fortnite. I used to wrestle. Used to do track, baseball, and soccer. But now what do I watch? I don't really watch a lot of sports, honestly. I don't watch a lot of TV in general. Just mostly focused on working out, staying healthy. Try to avoid leisure time. The only time I really watch leisure time is when I'm hanging out with my lady friend. Only time I'll really indulge in that. But yeah, I try to stay focused, try to stay off the charts or screens. Our whole job is on the screen, sitting down, so I try to get active, but I love sports. I do love watching sports. I took a payout this morning and locked in some goop last night on a second XFA. Goop. Let's go, son. Took a payout this morning, King. What a start to a Thursday. Proud of you, brother. That's amazing. You showed up, so you did great. We can't control the outcome, just the process. That's all we can do. We show up, take the experience, we learn, we move on, and we're proud of it. We just be proud of ourselves, you know? We're like, look, I can do this. Even on days where we tilt, just keep showing up, keep trying. Is your girlfriend coming to Hawaii too? She is coming. It's funny, she's not technically my girlfriend, but she is coming to the trip with us. We need 2 more likes, everyone. W's. Hey, if you haven't yet, show some love, family. We need 2 more likes. Get over our 30 like stream goal. Let's go. What do you think of boxing or UFC? Oh, I love the UFC. So I guess on certain times I do watch Fight Night. I love Fight Night. Yeah, UFC's the shit. I don't watch a lot of boxing, but I love MMA. I love seeing the octagon craze going on. Like I said, I used to wrestle, so I'm a grappler at heart. 4 payouts for 2026 so far. Each one has been my biggest to date. Can you hear the Goop Master? Feel the momentum, King. So proud of you, Sobs. That's incredible. Absolutely lovely, Sobs. So amazing, man. That's nice. Yeah, it's going to be very exciting, Danny. I'm very excited. I'll take you on, buddy. Hey, first one to tap loses. Who's your fave fighter? It's hard to have a fave. I mean, they're all just dogs. They put in all the work, and fighting isn't even like it's just there's so much contrast and styles that you'll just get different fights and everything. But in terms of vibe, in terms of like energy and just his etiquette, style, probably Adesanya. Israel Adesanya, the last style bender. What are you waiting for, Ty? Put a ring on it. Newbie, stop it. No tapping allowed, life or death. Go to the finish line, Sobs. Saucy, I'm into that. Love watching UFC and love not paying Dana White to watch it, you know what I'm saying, Saucy? Huh? What are we talking about? I'm the same way. Let me see the fights, and I don't want to pay for it. Even though I feel bad because I love to watch. I know that we're technically supporting the fighters that are literally in the fucking Coliseum for us, getting brutally just punished with their bodies for our entertainment. And we're like, yeah, I'm not. I appreciate that, but I'm not paying for it. That's why I think it's funny every time I don't pay for the UFC. Saab is wrecking the charts. Congrats on the legal robberies. I love it, King. Way to steal from the NASDAQ at an inappropriate faction. Actually, it's probably gold. Aren't you trading gold right now, Saabs? Oliveira. Charles Oliveira is the GOAT. He's the man. I love Charles. His energy's dope, too. I love that he brings his family so along with the process, and he's very just in tune with the game. You know, he knows that it's a fighter life. Fight for life out there, and he shows up 100%. He's a grapple king, so everybody just stays off the fucking canvas with him. But yeah, he's the man. I love Charles. Well, mostly was on gold, but Top Step basically made it so you can't trade gold right now. Pretty fucking dumb. Top Step said no sir, no sir. Would love to dance. Darce choke me in my MP right now. Put the old mic on a little Darce. He deserves it. He deserves it. Just taking money from profitable traders is doggy. Do we keep pushing here, or is the NASDAQ going to start looking lower again? Part of me wants to try to find a little snipe long, a little quick scalpy with the 2 MNQs. I don't know if I don't technically need to. We just got to get over the buffers, so I probably won't. Probably lock it out for the day. Trade mode off. What was that? Top tight. Interesting. Trade mode done. We're locked in for the day, family. Would love the Darce joke. Did I hear Top Step denied 100K payout, or did they choose someone else's account and take the payout profits in it? Ooh, I don't know, newbie. I didn't hear about that. I did not hear that drama. Hope whatever happened appropriately, and if it was actually some bullshit, I hope Top Step gives the money away. W Day baby, yes sir. We're locking it in, King. Proud of it. Did our best. We showed up. We learned. Yeah, we got almost 4 feet of snow here the other day. That's absolutely disgusting. For mid-February, March is on its way, and it left you with a nasty little dump. 4 feet is wild. I don't think I've ever had a snowstorm where I got that much snow. You guys were literally setting records. I saw a couple things where it was like record snowfall. Disgusting. Heading out. Hope everyone has a good one. Remember, tomorrow is Free Money Friday. Trading for freedom, baby. I love it, TLR. Let's fucking go, King. Great energy. Proud of you. Thanks for stopping by, showing some love, King. Take it easy. Free Money Friday is tomorrow. I'm going to be testing out tomorrow's mobile stream, guys. So I won't be in my normal setup. Everything might be a little slower, a little bit different. Have some grace with me while I figure it out. NVIDIA down 4.63%. Just saw the notification. That makes way more sense. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be a first mobile stream off the out of my setup. Testing it out for Hawaii. Monday, I won't be on the charts, family. Good luck to y'all then. And then Tuesday, we'll have our first stream in Hawaii. Stream 222. Very excited about it. And yeah, the Ola Prime firm took a $300K in funding of my brother. Took a $300K in funding of my brother. Wait a minute. What do you talk? So they didn't pay him $300K that he deserved? Take it easy, Matthew. I appreciate you, King. Have a great one. I heard about it, but I wasn't sure what actually happened. Hope they don't start rug pulling traders. Me neither, Queen. Oh, right. You're heading to Hawaii tomorrow? Not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm getting ready to head to Hawaii. We're actually leaving Sunday for that. Be on the plane Monday. Going to leave at like 5 a.m. on Monday morning. So we're heading out Sunday because we're taking out from Boston. We're taking off from Boston, Sobs. But yeah, very excited about that. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, family. So much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you for being a part of this family, showing love, being a part of this community. Sobs, I was thinking about it now. I should have just came up to you Sunday night or Sunday. I'm going to be at the Micro Center in Boston Sunday. What is that? Is that close to the airport? 10 minutes from Logan. Is Logan the airport? No shot. Sadly, we leave. Oh, well. See, we were trying to figure out a way to have cheaper parking. We were trying to figure out a way to, because if you park your car at the airport for the week, it's like $350. And we were like, yeah, fuck that. So we're actually parking down at my aunt's. She lives like in Lowell, Mass or something like that. I don't exactly remember where. So we're gonna meet at her place and then drive at like 2:30 from there to Boston to get ready for the flights. But damn, we could have celebrated. Yeah, Logan Airport and Micro Center is like the Best Buy on steroids. Well, shit. I wish we could catch up. Maybe we will be soon, King. No matter what. Maybe not this time, but we'll definitely get a connection at some point. I appreciate the offer you extended, and this summer or something we'll take advantage for sure. Nah, he had two funded managers, 200K and 100K, and he was up, and then came with bullshit, and they took his accounts, and he didn't want the video, and they uploaded of him, and they just put him on hold. BS firm. Yeah, that is a BS firm. What is that? Ola Next? Ola Prime? Yeah, fuck that. Nah, I'm not into that. That sucks to hear work. $350 to park is partial rent payment for the month. Yeah, that's why it's like disgusting. $425 on my evals. I scalped some longs. Let's go, Dave. Way to grab some money on the rotation there. If I was a better scalper, I would have had like 700-800 per. That's why scalping is hard. You can never be. You got to just always be happy with what you get because it's unpredictable. But that's it, family. I love y'all so much. I appreciate every single one of y'all for being a part of this community, stopping by, showing love on a day in, day out process. It means the most. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Hope you guys had some good luck today trading. We went straight down, trying to find a little bit of balance right now, but I hope you guys made some money. Tomorrow will be our first stream, not in the setup. We'll be testing out the mobile stream, so might be a little choppy. Bear with me, but we'll see what happens. Drink some sun, family. Get some water. Hug somebody that you love. And tomorrow we'll be doing it all over again. All right? Take care, family. Peace.